Hello, Miss Feely here, and I'm going to teach you how to make a catapult. So the stuff you're going to need today, 7 popsicle sticks, 4 of these rubber bands. You will need a little cup and a glue dot. Plus we have a web that you're going to actually use for a target and some things to catapult through the air. So I've got a pom-pom, I've got a little spider ring, and a little candy cane pumpkin that I'm going to use. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to count out 5 of your sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you're going to lay them on top of each other just to make one thick stick. Okay? You're going to take your rubber bands, and on the 2 ends, you are just going to rubber band them together. So just like that, kind of big rubber bands for these sticks. But go ahead and do both sides. So rubber band them together. Now, you're going to take the last sticks and put them I'm not quite tight enough. One more. Okay, and put them perpendicular. So perpendicular means this way to your pile of sticks. So now mine are perpendicular, and you're going to kind of make a letter V with it and put the rubber band around this edge. So over here, I'm going to take the rubber band, kind of put it in the middle, and I'm going to now rubber band this edge. Several times. Next time I'll buy smaller rubber bands. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, so this is my first time making one. So I'm gonna move my sticks kind of down here. Now, if you notice, these are gonna slip out pretty easy, and we don't want that to happen. So we're gonna put another rubber band around here. This is your last rubber band. And I'm only gonna put it around a couple times, and now I'm gonna crisscross it. So I'm going to take it and kind of make an X around the edges here, like that. So it kind of goes an X pattern right across there. So now, and I can move it down a little bit, I've got kind of what looks, there's a little resistance there, isn't there? Okay, now I need to add this cup to the edge. This is gonna be my launcher, and I gave you all glue dot, so we didn't have to wait for the glue to dry. So you're gonna stick the glue dot right on the edge, peel it off. So I've got my glue dot on there. I'm gonna stick it on the edge of my catapult, and check it out. Now you can take some of your items and you are going to catapult it. So push it down and then fly. Oh, that one went flying. Holy cow, that went flying far. Okay, so now you're gonna take your different items and you can catapult it. This is the part where your teachers are really gonna be upset with me, aren't they? Okay, once you figured out how to catapult things, you can start setting a target up. Your teacher might wanna take you outside. If not, we'll have to be careful about what sides of the room we're doing and try to hit different targets. Here's my disclaimer. If you use your candy corn to fling things, I didn't do that one very hard because I wanted you to see it, but if you use your candy corn to fling it, don't eat it after it's been on the floor. That's gross. So if you're gonna eat it, which I know some of you will, eat it first before it goes flying through the floor. So now you've got a little game you can play. You can move the target around, try to see which things launch further and which things, ooh, that went far, don't launch as far. Have fun with your catapult. Do not drive the adults crazy. Don't drive your teachers crazy. Don't drive your parents crazy. After you're done with this, you can experiment with different things with catapults. Plastic spoons. You can use more popsicle sticks. What happens if you make it thicker? Try all sorts of experiments. All right, thanks for making a catapult with me. Have a happy Halloween.